Number 26 is a particle motion problem, and it's saying it's for time greater than 0. For each problem, well, it's only one. Find the intervals of the time when the particle is slowing down and speeding up. Okay, so remember, slowing down means that the velocity and acceleration are different signs. And speeding up is the velocity and acceleration are the same signs. So we have to find both velocity and acceleration, make a double sign chart, and then say the answer. So let's get v of t would be 3t squared minus 26t plus 40. Okay, and so we would set that equal to 0 and factor it. So let's see. I factored it to 3t minus 20 and t minus 2. So that gives you 3t squared minus 6 minus 20, which would be minus 26 plus 40. So equals 0. So for the first one, t equals 20/3, which is what? 6 2/3. And t equals 2. All right, so let's make a little sign chart for velocity of 2 and 6 2/3. Now it's a squared function, so I'm just going to be able to do that. It's positive. So positive, negative, positive. So I've got my sign chart ready for when I need to make a comp of both of them. And let's do a of t. So a of t, taking the derivative of v of t, is 6t minus 26. Take that equal to 0. So 6t equals 26. T is equal to 26 over 6, or 13 divided by 3, which is 4 1/3. So we have one sign chart here at 4 1/3, and it's a positive linear, so it would go like this with negative and then going to positive. So now on my sign chart, I've got to have 2, 4 1/3, and 6 2/3. And so let's do the velocity first. The velocity before 2 is positive all the way to 6, after 2 it goes to negative. And here it would still be negative because it's negative till it gets to 6 2/3 where it goes back positive. And then acceleration is negative till it gets to 4 1/3, so negative, negative, and then positive, positive. So it's slowing down, okay, from, these would be different here, so, and it's from 0, so you would say from 0 to 2, and then again, here's where they're different, and so it's 4 1/3 to 6 2/3, and you could have used the fractions, it's the same thing. And so it is speeding up at where the signs are the same. So from 2 to 4 1/3, and from 6 to infinity, 6 2/3 to infinity. So that was the answer to number 26.